Hey guys, Madhav here, and in this video we are gonna unbox the Cooler Master MasterMouse Lite test. Now this is a 6-button gaming mouse. It uses an optical sensor which supports DPI up to 2000. The polling rate of this mouse is 125 per 8 millisecond. The MRP on the box is about 1500, but this goes on sale on Amazon for about 550. Well then, let's unbox this. So inside the box you get the mouse and a booklet. The booklet shows all the button details and some of the specifications of the mouse too. Now this mouse is designed for palm and claw users. The cable is 1.8 meter long and there's an LED illumination at the bottom of the mouse. There's an LED in the scroll bar too. There are 6 DPI levels in this mouse, that is 600, 1000 and 2000. And they are indicated by the intensity of the LED. Well, if you are going for a mouse and your budget is around 500, then this one is worth considering because this is the only branded one at this price tag which has the extra buttons. So that's the end of this video. Click the thumbs up button if you liked it, and also subscribe to my channel to get more videos from me.